I've always loved baking, but what would it take for me to become a professional baker? How could I make my dream a reality? The culinary arts students really seem to take ownership in the local cafe and restaurant. They're gaining real experience making lunch, dinner, and weekend brunch with real ingredients for fellow students and the public. Can I see myself in this program? I can. A career in baking and pastry arts really is possible. The instructors are excited to welcome us into the field. At Centennial, I'm learning the skills I need to work in the industry with guidance from chef professors who know what it takes. I'm immersed in the kitchen, developing my craft. The instruction is totally hands-on with an amazing new commercial baking lab. From the resources and equipment I need, to the skilled and diverse instruction, to the local fresh ingredients, Centennial has it all. The learning and networking opportunities are limitless. We're learning about large quantity production as well as fine decorating and finishing skills. I like knowing that ingredients are locally sourced. Did you know that Centennial is the only college in Ontario with the Feast On designation for their labs? The results speak for themselves. Producing cakes, breads, and pastries daily gives me the confidence and experience I need to make this my career. Each day I create something from scratch and feel a sense of accomplishment. This feels like a family. This feels like my future.